How to download and install the Bluesky social application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This step is for the Android, but you can follow the same steps for iPhone as well. So, first and foremost, head over to Play Store, and if you have iOS devices, head over to App Store. Once you tap on it, you will see a search icon. Tap on it and tap on Search tab. Type in Blue Sky in the search bar. You should find this Blue Sky application with a butterfly logo. Tap on Install button for Android and Get for the iOS devices. This should automatically start the downloading and installation on your device. If prompted, confirm the download using the Touch ID, Face ID, or by entering your phone's password. Then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is completed, you will see an Open button pop up. You can tap Open it to start using the app. You can also explore other alternatives such as Twitter, Threads for this application. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Thank you and